Welcome to the 2025 Chinkapin Hollow Gravel Grinder here in Fayetteville, Arkansas at the beautiful Lake Wedington Recreation Area.
Definitely chunky, definitely some good terrain rollers, some good climbs, so kind of expect a mix out there, but we have a gorgeous day, low winds, so it should be perfect.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Gravel was awesome. Conditions were sweet. Yeah, it was fast.
There was still some rough stuff, but it was definitely faster than it's been in the past.
A little rougher than road is, but no, super fun. It was so beautiful today. The leaves were just blowing across the roads, and it was such a great time.
It was as good as it's ever been out there for sure.
First 30 miles, it was kind of all together. And then we hit a climb, and me, Johnny, and this other guy kind of ripped it up.
Once we got to the hills and stuff, I couldn't really hang on to the guys.
I just looked back, and there were a few bike lengths, and I decided to go.
You really want this just for the lavender beard, don't you?
That's right. Yeah.
Oh yeah, let's go.